Hey guys, welcome to Chai Time. Today we are going to see a restaurant style paneer butter masala recipe. For this, take a kadai, add 2 spoons of oil and 2 spoons of butter and just give a good mix and melt them well. Now add 4 cloves and 2 cinnamons and few jeeras and few fennel seeds and just fry them well. With that, add 4 slitted green chilies and 2 large onions which have sliced well and giving it a good mix so that it should turn into a good crispiness color. Fry until it's just crispy. And now add 3 medium sized tomatoes which have sliced and add 1 inch of ginger and 10 garlic cloves and fry them well. We can add salt as per our taste, and now I am adding 1 glass of soaked peanut so that I am substituting instead of cashew nut, as not everyone will be having cashew nuts in their house, and I am adding 4 cashew nuts so that it will balance the taste, and adding salt as per our taste, and make sure the tomato should be cooked well so that it will get smashed. Now shift that masala into a jar and add few poppy seeds and the excess or leftover peanuts which I have soaked. I am adding it here, and then 1 handful of mint leaves and grind them into well fine paste. Now take a kadai, pour 1 spoon of oil and 3 spoons of butter, as butter flavor gives a good flavor and taste for this paneer butter masala recipe and gives us good restaurant style. For this, slice half large onion and just fry until it's crispy and golden brown, and add 4 sliced or slitted green chilies. Now the onion is turned crispier. Now I am adding 3 bay leaves and giving it a good mix. Now we are supposed to add the grinded paste, and make sure after adding the grinded paste we are not supposed to add water. Just fry them until the raw smell of the masala goes, and after the raw smell of the masala goes, you can add half glass to 1 cup of water into it so that you can adjust the consistency of the gravy. Make sure you are not supposed to add any excess water more than 1 glass, and add few pinch of turmeric powder, 1 red chili powder and give a good mix. And then now we are supposed to add 1 spoon of coriander powder and 1 spoon of garam masala and give a good mix. And actually you can add excess or less amount of powders as per your taste. I am adding few kasuri methis which I have crushed and it's dried, and I am adding here capsicum. If you want you can add capsicum, otherwise you can skip, as some of people in my family don't eat paneer. I have just added capsicum so that they can eat capsicum gravy. Now I am just crushing few paneers so that the taste of the paneer will be spreaded in our gravy. And if you feel that the sourness is less, you can add some few drops of lime juice. You can add some 3 to 4 drops and few coriander leaves and give a good mix. If you want still more butter in this recipe, you can add now. And also I am adding the paneer pieces which I have chopped, and I am cooking it for another 5 more minutes, and our restaurant style paneer butter masala is ready. Now we can have this for paratha, chapati or puris and have a good restaurant style paneer butter masala. If you want still more recipes similar to this, you can please subscribe our channel and comment below which recipe you want in our channel. Thanks for watching.